The voice of nature setting, a lush forest, morning light filtering through the trees. The sound of birds chirping and a gentle breeze swaying the leaves. Scene 1, soft narration fades in. Narrator, we often forget, but nature speaks if only we listen. Scene to camera pans across a flowing river, then zooms in on a single droplet clinging to a leaf. Narrator, in every ripple, in every breath of wind, a story unfolds. Scene 3, a group of children playing in an open meadow, laughing as they run. Narrator, it nurtures, it protects, it gives us life. Scene for storm clouds gather, lightning crackles, waves crash against a rocky cliffside. Narrator, but nature is power. A force untamed, a reminder we are not its masters, but its guests. Scene 5, sunlight breaks through the clouds, a deer cautiously steps into view. Narrator, and when we respect it, when we cherish it, nature rewards us with wonders beyond imagination. Scene 6, the camera zooms out, birds soaring high, waterfalls cascading, endless green stretching toward the horizon. Narrator, listen closely. Nature speaks. Are we listening? I hope this captures what you're looking for. Let me know if you'd like me to refine or expand it. Can you add more details about environmental themes? Absolutely. Here's a refined version of your script with stronger environmental themes woven throughout. Title: The voice of nature setting, a lush forest, morning light filtering through the trees, the sound of birds chirping, leaves rustling, and distant flowing water. Scene 1. The silent plea soft narration fades in. Camera focuses on an ancient tree, its bark weathered and strong. Narrator, nature speaks if only we listen. In the whispers of leaves, in the cries of rivers, in the breath of the wind. Scene 2, the gift we take for granted. Montage of clean air, clear streams, and vibrant wildlife. A child cups water in their hands and smiles. Narrator, it provides without question. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we share.